Know I'm talking about, man. Yeah. I'ma tell you that, man. She the lady of my dreams, man. She the one. She the one, man. Yeah, you smell your gang. Yeah. I met a girl, man, she pretty different from the outside world. She really torn apart, about to fake this soon. I'm gonna be gone, riding like Star-Lord gang. On them streets, they calling me God, thinking about things. Am I gonna suffer a fiend? I'm thinking about the theories. Prodigy, one of the things I believe in for my pedigree. Sailing keys, watching them peeps on the wall, planning on pressing me, suppressing me. On the dreams, they gon' do that, I ain't paying a T. Took her home, daddy told me she an info. I didn't miss some info. Gotta see if she ain't carrying no dildo, cause I got a pole. I'm just tryna put it where it goes. If you love me, baby, why the choice? You gotta choose cause you got a choice. I'ma tell you this, it's hard though, so do it fast for the guns blow. You don't want, yeah, my heart knows, so don't get it twisted. You gotta choose from the two sides of the same coin for the gift. Vanity wants you, me, I want you, yeah, you got a good listing. Talking about a little fisting, throw a party for to get a kick in. Now me, I'm pretty logistic. I'ma tell the truth as it is, if you kiss it till I'm tripped. Yeah, look at me now, I'm so king with it. I ain't even put the tip in to die, I'm a magician. I'm just tryna get the trick in. Yeah. Put you on game with kissing, cause I like the color of her lips.
They think they're surpassing me, but still, they ain't impressing me for real. They fuck on my move for the day, I'm day in and day out, I do it all gingerly. Hey that little miss, pardon me. Give me what's mine is a part of me. That is my heart that you rapidly took. I act in confusion, amazing these niggas, that's why I'm confusing my enemies. Yeah, I know you're the one, but to waste my time. Girl, I'm playing, oh damn, you fine. Looking at you, oh damn, you fire. If you're a job, I wouldn't be fired. Still, I get you way too tired. Feeling me, I'm like Mo5. King Mufasa, Kuna Matata. Brought some weed, let's scrap and fasa. Get in the zone, I'm talking sound 9. Decreasing the numbers, let's go top 5. I can't start odds, I be number 1. You're number 1, cause girl, you're mine. I don't ever really wanna waste your time. Time to time, I be your prime. Put outside all of your pride. Take you downtown for some ride. I'ma give you real good times. Intoxicated in my mind, can't think straight, you mess me up. But it's fine cause I'm doing some basics. Catch me, I'm winning on a daily basis. Basics, sitting on the pussy in the basement. Wait a minute, I'ma take it all, it's a drug I'm addicted to. Craving for, come and give me all that's mine. Stick it to my face, I'ma hit it all night. Oh damn girl, you're my desire. You're the one that I admire. Kisses on my face, you all the spread your legs for me like water. Just like Tyler, make you water.
I met a girl, man, she pretty different from the outside world. She really torn apart, about to fake this soon. I'm gonna be gone, riding like Star-Lord gang. On them streets, they calling me God, thinking about things. Am I gonna suffer a fiend? I'm thinking about the theories. Prodigy, one of the things I believe in for my pedigree. Sailing keys, watching them peeps on the wall, planning on pressing me, suppressing me. On the dreams, they gon' do that, I ain't paying a T. Took her home, daddy told me she an info. I didn't miss a minute.